So the day Isabel Wilkerson came to campus was definitely one of the highlights of my time at Sanford so far.
Any number of arbitrary metrics could be used to rank people in a caste system. It could be ethnicity, it could be religion, it could be language, place of origin, it could be any number of things that a society could use to divide and to rank people.
She put words to feelings that me and my family have known about life in this country for a long time. So today we're headed to my grandparents' house out in Fuquay-Varina, North Carolina, where we will be speaking with my grandfather about his life and past and how it's really inspired and informed the work I'm doing at Sanford.
I grew up on a farm in eastern North Carolina. My dad and mom were sharecroppers. They lived and worked the farm for ever since I remember. That was the way out for us farm people at that day. That was a step up. If you could go to the Army, you're gonna come back better disciplined and better trained to do something other than work on the farm.
You can help me pick these off, Granddad, and just de-stem them.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
My grandfather, for one, the area he comes from really informs a lot of the work I do. I found myself increasingly passionate about helping communities in the South, specifically economically disadvantaged communities in the South, access the care that they need. I don't think I would have that passion or that drive if it wasn't for my grandfather.
Jill was always a great listener. She would always listen, but she always had her own opinions about things too.
As mentioned in the Isabel Wilkerson talk, I think public policy is really the most tactile way to help as many people as possible when it comes to issues of racial injustice and economic injustice, and even health disparities and health inequities.
You had to stay in your place. That's what it means to be in a caste system. A caste system being an arbitrary, artificial, graded ranking of human value in which, in the Jim Crow South, everything that you could and could not do was based upon what you looked like or what you were perceived to be in that world.
I feel like building community and maintaining cultural traditions is a step that we all can take to disrupt the caste.
Yeah.
I think it makes sense that Jill would follow this path. Jill cares about others, her community, their health, well-being. So
We are blessed in this family. I'll just say that. We are truly, truly blessed. I've been a lot of places, I've seen a lot of people, and I hope that the world will come to do something to help all human beings.